Hey, Kobe. Come here. At your service, sir. Don't be silly, Kobe. At ease.
Well, Dad.
Kobe, what is this that I'm hearing?
Well, what is it that you've heard?
What is that girl to you?
Who?
Major's daughter.
Oh, AC. Poor girl. You saw her at the funeral. She was all broken down. It's a pity.
What is that girl to you? That is my question.
Oh, she's my bed.
She is your what? Look here, my son. I won't have you jeopardize all that I've said. I won't have you make any stupid decisions which will bring all that I have achieved to naught. No. No. I won't have you mess up your life with any stupid, filthy, poverty-stricken family. No. Not under the sun. Under the moon. No. This universe. No. I won't get you. I won't get you move with that girl. No, and that is an order.
You can't order me about that way. Not anymore, Dad. Not anymore. I'm no longer King Kobe, and I can make decisions for myself.
What is the problem here?
No, please. Leave us alone. Please. Look here, son. Sit down. Now, look here, son. The first step one makes in the world is what determines the future. That girl has nothing to offer. Likewise, her family. A boy from Nana Kweku Dankwa's family can't marry a faceless girl. Never. I'm speaking out of experience. Do not get involved with somebody out of sympathy. You will regret it, and it will be too late then. The father died a pauper without giving her any good future. Son, you are in real contrast to her. Let not the ironies of life deceive you.
I see. So it's true. We only blame in others the faults by which we do not profit. Well, I've heard you, Dad, and I have absorbed it. But I think I'll make my own decisions.
Well, I trust you will make a sound judgment. Remember, aim high at the sun. You may not reach it, but your arrows will fly higher than aim at a dwarf. A word to the wise.
It's way down south. I'll see you, Dad.
Hello, Vero. What is it? What again? AC. I'm only advising her to go and say absolutely thank you to Kobe. And look at how she has squeezed her face. Don't be naive.
It's a small price to pay for all the guy has done for you. AC, listen to your mom.
Come on, get up.
Look, I'll go with you if you like.
Go and put on something decent. Go, come on, get up. Get up. Vero is here, come on.
AC.
Oh, Kobe, I thought you were getting ready to travel with your daddy.
I'm not going. I'm sick.
Sick? Oh. Kobe, your temperature is so high. Let me quickly inform your daddy you are not well, right?
Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Let's get moving.
Oh, my dear. Sorry Kobe can't go with you.
Kobe?
Yes.
What's wrong with Kobe?
He's not well. Popu, take his bag out.
Well, I see you.
All right. Safe journey. Bye-bye.
Bye.
And lie down.
I'm alright, ma.
Kobe, you must lie down and rest.
Ngona.
No, wait a minute, Kobe. Are you sure you are sick?
I have just recovered.
Hey, Kobe.
I see ya.
Oh my. Kobe.
Well. I was just coming to your place.
My mother said I should come and thank you for all that you did for us.
Come on, that's cool. Why don't you hop in? We'll go town riding, alright? Yeah.
How do I do? Oh! Oh! Papi! Papi!
Hey, what's wrong?
I'm coming.
Hey, Colin. Where have you been?
To see a friend.
Which friend?
Someone you don't know. No.
Come on, don't give me those answers.
Softly, my dear. No need to work yourself.
Don't try to side with him. You think I don't know you are encouraging him, eh?
I'm not doing any such thing.
Why are you two people quarreling?
Kamu lah ada minggal. Bukan. Oh, mak ada minggal begitu dia. Mak. Sini ni mau buat begini dia. Bukan. Kamu lah kerja begini. Minggal bune. Onu boleh. Jangan di sana lekor sampai. Umacina. Enggak. Oh, mana bu? Kamu lagi dia macam ni. Oh, mana agak sih tu? Mana betul lagi? Kamu lagi dia macam ni. Ni agak siapa jual kan dia? Macam maju tu bah. Abu. Kita jebul ni boleh jaya aku. Iya. Como minha que vivia de diversão, não quero. O que maloni, tá louco uma boa de piano. Vem lá, como tu escolhe o comi, como a bater. Ma,
já vai ter ninguém sabe. O menino cheio tem ninguém lá, o que ele é o tio ba.
Oh manomi,
tu fena. An mamuna que tem a puta de após uma hora.
Watch it, little boy. You're looking for trouble, boy. A white or peaceful man, and also trouble man. But if you want trouble, you get it and double. So get out of this trouble. Watch it, little boy.
Come on, Essie, look.
Watch it, little boy. You're looking for trouble, boy. You're white or peaceful man, and also trouble man. But if you want trouble, you get it and double. So get out of this rubble. Watch it, little boy. Watch it, little boy. Watch it, little boy. Watch it, little boy. You're looking for trouble, boy. A white or peaceful man, and also trouble man. But if you want trouble, you get it and double. So get out of this trouble. Watch it, little boy. Watch it, little boy. You're looking for trouble, boy. You're white or peaceful man, and also trouble man. But if you want trouble, you get it and double. So get out of this rubble. Watch it, little boy. Watch it, little boy. Watch it, little boy.
Please help me.
What happened to you?
Let me explain.
Shut up! You bloody bitch! I don't want anything from you. Get out of here!
Oh, you don't have to treat her that way. How would we know what happened?
I don't want to hear anything from her. Get out! Will you get out of the house?
Essie, it's all right, baby. I shall see you later.
Hobby?
Please don't
What
tell them
happened
about
to
what happened. Okay, bye-bye.
What happened to you? Bobby, I say, what happened to you? No, hold on. Get the police on the line. Let them say this first.
Before any aid is administered, what are we going to tell the police since the boy has still said nothing?
Look here, Kobe. What happened to you? Kobe, we are your parents. Tell us. We'll help you. What happened to you? Look here, Kobe. I am going to get whoever did this to you behind bars till the end of his life.
No, my dear. Don't call the police. You might bring trouble onto us. What are you going to tell the police? What complaint are you going to make? That he was beaten up, or he had an accident, or what? Please, let's know before we take any action. Take your time. Oh, Kobe, your daddy is worried about you. You are the only son, and he's so anxious about you.
You hate AC too, don't you?
Come off it, Kobe. I don't hate AC. And you know it. Neither does your daddy.
We were attacked by lions.
By what?
Lions.
Hey, where?
The Kokrobite forest. Aren't you happy that 4 tigers attacked your son and he survived?
Hey, but you said lions. You are now saying tigers. Which is which?
4 lions. I had to protect AC. I fought them off.
Mom, I'm okay.
No, come on, Kobe. You are not okay. Look at this. You let me finish with the first aid. Now I don't know.
Mami Minisani.
Minisani, I don't know how.
I don't know. I don't know.
What are you doing here? Oh! Kobe, I'm sorry for what those idiots did to you the other time.
No, it's alright.
Are you one of the boys?
Oh, yeah?
He used to be like my boyfriend.
Oh, I see. Oh, that's alright.
Should you report them to the police?
What? Come on, don't be ridiculous. I don't even know the way to a police station.
Oh, Kobe. Kobe.
I like to see that.
That's true.
So, madam,
She's asleep.
how deep does she sleep?
I don't know, but she's asleep.
What's wrong?
This is not right, Kobe.
What is not right?
What are you doing?
Look, I love you, Lizzie. Do you love me?
I love you, but...
Will you marry me?
Where is Kobe?
Oh, why do you have to ask of Kobe?
As long as I live for you. So let's talk love, reach out for each other. Love me the way I do for you. Oh, I promise it's gonna be the same forever. Let it be like this forever. It's always like this. In the beginning, will it be the same forever? I reach out my love for you, even in your sleep, and wish that you return. It's always like that. In the beginning, will it be the same forever? I reach out my love for you, even in your sleep, and wish that you return. Will it be like this forever?
It's in Pravia. Vow that.
Why? What's wrong?
Nothing. Just go on. I shall remain honest.
To Aite Odono.
To Aite
Odono. This is a promissory ring. Wear it always until I take you to the altar in holy matrimony.
What is it?
Vera is leaving tomorrow.
Oh, is that why you look so sad? Come on, come in. Come. Nothing on earth remains unchanged. You don't have to grieve much. Soon your turn will come.
But Vera is a great friend. I'm going to feel lonely.
I know. Look, if one door closes, another one opens. Soon you'll be married to Kobe. And it's me who will be lonely. Eh? Go in. Your food is there. Go in and eat.
What brings you here this evening, officer?
Yeah.
Where is Kobe? Kobe? Oh, Kobe was with me this evening. Anything the matter?
He's got himself involved in a street brawl. It happened at the beach. And one man is dead.
What? Dead?
Yes. Now he is a wanted man.
Okay. I shall do something about that.
Okay.
Immediately. Okay.
Well, I want to leave. Yeah.
Okay. All right, officer. Okay. Thanks a lot for the information.
Yes, sir.
I shall do something about it. Okay? Okay, just wait a minute. Yeah? Oh, please have this.
That's fine. Thank you. I'll see you again.
Okay.
Fine. Bye-bye.
Adewa, please see the officer off, okay? And come back. Aware that one man is dead? The police officer was here, and I tell you, one man is dead. I tell you, one man is dead.
We just had a fight. Nobody is dead. Shut up, your big mouth.
The officer was here, and I tell you, one man is dead. Look, I must get you out of this country. I must. You are going to stay here until I am ready.
Your mother? Yes. What about your father? He's also here. Can I see your mother? Yeah. It's gone. Thank you. Good morning. Good morning. Can I help you? I'm Major's wife. This is my daughter. She's pregnant and she says your son is responsible. My son? No, I don't think that is possible. He's even out of the country at the moment. But my daughter says he is responsible. Kobe would have informed me. No, I'm sorry, madam, I can't help you. Ejewa! Please see her off. Thank you. Good evening. Good evening.
I had here, Boko.
I'm only here to inform you of my daughter's delivery. A baby girl.
And what has this got to do with this?
I remember some time back she came here to tell me her daughter was pregnant and that Kobe was responsible for it. But I told her that was impossible because Kobe was out of the country at that moment.
Kobe responsible? No, I can't believe this one. He would have written to inform us even by now.
Exactly. But he wrote to tell us that he has written to tell you about it.
No. So, you may have to find the husband for your daughter.
Ejewa! But what's wrong with you people? What is wrong with you people? Your son has made my daughter pregnant, and I'm here to inform you of the delivery, and you are throwing me out. Ejewa, see her out. You shall pay dearly for this. I shall make sure you pay dearly for this. You wait and see her. Ejewa, I said see her off. There you follow me, I know my way.
My dear Kobe, it's been years now since I heard from you. To be precise, since I gave birth to Belinda, our child. I feel so sad when I think about this. And the more I think about you, the more lonely I become. Our baby Belinda is beautiful and bouncy. She's just like your father. I feel so disheartened about this silence. If there's a way I could talk to you or see you for a moment, I'll cherish that moment because I still love you and I still keep your promissory ring. Life is so hard for us, but maybe you are very busy with your studies. I wish you well, but please, dear Kobe, try and reply just to one of my letters, for I miss you so much. She's now going on to 5 years. Have you seen Vero? I miss her too.
You are sure this is the place?
What is your name?
My name is Belinda Krabia.
Belinda Krabia. How are you, Belinda?
I'm fine.
Belinda, where is your mother? Where? Let's go. Belinda, come here. Good evening. Good evening. Can I help you? We are here to see you. To adopt Belinda, I suppose.
Oh, no. We are here to apologize.
And then? No, Belinda. Do you even recognize her? 5 years. 5 good years. This girl had been a lonely girl. And she had learned to live by that. Come on, inside. Oh, madam, please listen to her. I don't want to see you here again. You should never come here again.
Please.
Madam, don't come here again.
We mean no harm.
No. Sasio Dende.
Mami Odende.
Belinda. Oh, you are welcome. Thank you. You got a letter. It's on the table. Yes.
Issy, I've received quite a truckload of letters from you over the years. Some quite emotional. Or how could I even reply them when you spit in my mother's face and chased my father with a club? Just because they came to visit Belinda. And who the hell named her Belinda? I said I want her name is Sabat Dampa after my grandmother. Well, I'm getting married. You can go back to that net dress for someone girlfriend of yours.
Is that someone? Eh? What's happening? What's happening? Essie! Hey! Obi bro! Somebody help! Help! Obi bro! Hey! Get here! Essie!
Is you my daughter?
She's my mother. Why is she not staying with us?
We tried to bring her home, but each time she goes away.
I'll bring them back. I'll try to bring them home. I'll bring them tomorrow. Mama.
Belinda, aren't you going to work today?
Have you boys seen Nambokwa today? I'm going to look for her.
Shall we all be on our feet? Behold the bride and the bridegroom.
And we all say hooray as Mr. and Mrs. Kobe Dankwa cuts the cake to a successful marriage. Hooray! Ow, 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 ow.
Now shall we all rise and raise our glasses to the bride and bridegroom? Bride.
People are born with silver spoons in their mouths. Some people are born, they suffer till they die. Young as I am, I've seen much of this world, and all alone, I've been asking why. Why I'm a shoe shine boy, a shoe shine boy. Why I'm a shoe shine boy, a shoe shine boy. Why I'm a shoe shine boy, a shoe shine boy. Oh no. Some people are born with silver spoons in their mouths. Some people are born, they suffer till they die. Young as I am, I've seen much of this world, and all alone, I've been asking why.